Who is your Tahoe financed with?
There's a buy here, pay here.
Before God directed me to start charging people for my credit repair services.
All right, I've got some interesting clips today. We'll start it off with a few bad car loans as usual, then jump into some TikTok credit repair. A bit of credit
My
card.
two big questions was one, the biggest issue I'm running into is I'm still fighting with the state that can get my driver's license.
No driver's
He
license.
doesn't have a driver's license. He's working 2 full-time jobs just to stay afloat. And now he's saying he'll take...
I taught him how to buy a car from the comfort of his house. This is the first time in his life that he has bought a house from the comfort of his house.
It was already going badly, and then somehow it got worse. She says God told her to start charging for her credit repair services.
What I owed the IRS, and guess what I did? I filed bankruptcy.
Here's what comes after. Your credit takes a major hit. It stays on your report for years, and rebuilding from that point is slow and expensive.